Hi everyone, happy Easter! We're going to have some fun today. I'm going to show you another Easter chick you can make. I take a scrap of 260 orange and we're going to put two little pinch twists in this. So you get double the size of the beak that you want. You split that in half. Then you tie a knot. This scrap might be too small. Once you have it tight like that, then I pinch these two joints together and then I twist one of them. And that makes my little beak. Now I'm going to take a little bit of yellow. This is a 350 yellow. Oops, that one came undone. I'm going to take my 350 yellow. I'm going to pull the air out. I really needed to have tied a longer neck to this. There you go. And then I'm going to tie the beak to this long nozzle. Give that beak another twist. Now I'm going to do a tulip twist. I'm going to push it in, grab the knot, and pull it out. So I just have this little beak sticking out. Then I twist it. And then I'm going to take a scrap of yellow. Do you remember this? We're going to tie and make sure that pinch twist doesn't come off. Not pinch twist, tulip twist. Now, when you use two balloons, people like to call this a marriage twist, but it's really just the simple tulip twist. Because all I want from this really is this part. So I'm going to cut off the rest of the 350 balloon. Now I'm going to get white. Inflate the white all the way. Let the air go out until it's a ball. Tie the knot there. Now on here, I'm going to tie a knot at the end of my 350 balloon. That's what I'm going to catch and hold. I really don't need this 260 part, so I'm going to cut that off. Squeeze the air all the way to the top so now it's a funny shape. Put the knot of yellow through, down, and catch it on the bottom. Now I'm going to get a scrap and tie that knot that I just caught. Once is okay, twice is always best. So I've caught that knot on the other side with that scrap. Now I'm going to have some fun. Rather than drawing, I'm going to take some large googly eyes and just stick it. And now I need a nest of grass to put my little chick on. It's supposed to be a chick, but it's actually looking more like a duck. You could just call it an Easter bird and let your customer decide whether it's a chick or a duck. But my intention was a chick and an egg. Here's the bed of grass. I'm going to grab the tie at the bottom of my egg and wrap it in. And now, because it's a chick coming out of an egg, I am drawing little cracks. Because this little chick, he really cracks me up. Lovely bad puns. Now this little chick hatching out of the egg can go on top of a candy cup. Get your Easter candy cup. Take your tie and rub that on and over. And there we go. We got a chick or a duck inside an egg on a candy cup. Now I'm going to show you how I Now to put it on a headband, I'd take that last piece from my green grass, put my fingers down, wrap it around my fingers, and then up and around the green grass nest. Now I take my fingers out, and it rests just perfectly on top, and it's a hat. Or I can get, oh, hold on a moment. There's two ways to do this next part, and I just realized I need to restock. I'm getting ready for this Easter weekend, and I need to be able to make everything. I get these hair ties, these hair rubber bands from the store, and I take it and I pull it around one of the loops of my flower, and I turn it into a bracelet like that. For children, this is just the right size, but for an adult, your wrist might be too big. Something popped. That's why you try to put 6 or more petals on, so if one pops, 5 still looks good. The other way is you can take a scrap of balloon, pull all the air out. Now, since balloons are made from the sap of the rubber tree, once you pull all the air out of a balloon, you basically just get one giant rubber band. Hair tie. And then you put that loop around. That's another way to make your balloon creation into a bracelet, nice and easy and fast. So have a happy Easter. Bye, everyone.